Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to limit access in Google Drive. So first, you want to make sure your internet connection is turned on and that you're signed into your account. Then head over to this corner that says Google Apps and click on it. Scroll down and select Drive. Now I'm going to show you how to limit access to a file or a folder. Right-click on the file and select Share. Now if you'd like the file to be viewed by only a specific set of people, leave the general access unrestricted and enter the email address of whoever it is you'd like to send it to. But if you'd like it to be viewed by anyone with the link, click on that, select anyone with the link, and make sure the access is set to viewer. If you don't want the viewer to download, print, or copy the file, click on this gear icon and untick this box that says viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, or copy. Head back and click Done. If some users see an error saying access denied, this is because you haven't added them as authorized users. Make sure their emails are listed in the sharing settings. If you'd like to copy a folder and restrict the access, click on the three dots on the corner of the file and select Make a Copy. Then head over to Recent, right-click on your file, select Share, and adjust the access of the file as you wish. To restrict access in Google Shared Drives, follow these same steps. If you want to restrict administrator access in shared drives, select the Manage Members option and remove admin permissions for the specific user. If you are unable to change settings in shared drives, this is due to lack of administrative permissions. Contact the drive administrator for access. And that is how to limit access in Google Drive. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.